To the American Institute of Cloud Auditors YouTube channel. I am your presenter, Tommy Bolanos. In this presentation, I will discuss how savvy IT specialists can use artificial intelligence technologies to surveil financial auditors' work activities. AiCA Sky Blue Book Series. Contents of this presentation: machine learning technology, risk to financial auditors; deep learning technology, risk to financial auditors; expert systems technology, risk to financial auditors; NIST Trusted Computer System Evaluation Criteria and Standards; AiCA Auditing Tools Selection Consultancy. Machine learning threat to surveilling financial auditors' work activities. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI. Like all other emerging technologies, machine learning technology improves human productivity. Machine learning is a data analysis method that automates analytical model development. Deep learning systems threat to surveilling financial auditors' work activities. Deep learning is another branch of artificial intelligence, AI, and is a subset of machine learning. Deep learning utilizes a combination of multi-layer artificial neural networks, data, and computational training. The computer algorithms used in training the software is driven by the understanding of human brain behavior. This approach has become so effective it has even begun to surpass human abilities and may, in many areas such as image recognition, speech recognition, neural language processing. Deep learning models process large amounts of data under typical unsupervised conditions, semi-supervised conditions. Expert systems threat to surveilling financial auditors' work activities. Expert system is another type of artificial intelligence, AI, technology that emulates the decision-making ability of a human expert. Expert systems are designed to solve complex problems by reasoning through bodies of knowledge, represented mainly as if-then-else rules rather than through conventional computer program procedural routines. The expert system uses data stored in a knowledge database to solve problems that would usually require a human expert, thus extracting and storing a human's expert knowledge in its knowledge database. They can advise users as well as provide explanations to users about how they reached a particular conclusion or advice. Knowledge engineering is the term used to define the process of building an expert system, and its practitioners are called knowledge engineers. The primary role of a knowledge engineer is to make sure that the computer processes all the knowledge required to solve a problem. DoD Trusted Computer System Evaluation Criteria, TCSEC. The Orange Book. The U.S. Department of Defense, DoD, Trusted Computer System Evaluation Criteria, TCSEC, known as the Orange Book, is one of NIST Rainbow Books. The Orange Book set out criteria to evaluate computer system security. The possible resulting computer security classification criteria are A, B, C, D. Financial auditors should perform their due diligent responsibility of assessing risk based on these computer system security classification criteria and ensure that configuration management controls, change management controls, are enforced at all levels of the compute paradigm to prevent savvy IT specialists from circumventing system and application level controls in order to surveil financial auditors' work activities. The risk of savvy IT specialists surveilling financial auditors' work activities. Computer system technologies have been improving productively in both the business and government domains for time immemorial, and they have done so in significant ways. However, if expert systems, machine learning systems, and deep learning systems are not configured properly, and financial auditors do not conduct adequate risk assessment at all levels of the computing paradigm involving these artificial intelligence systems, IT can become a double-edged sword. For example, a computer system evaluated and assigned a D TCSEC classification could be manipulated because it has the least level of security at the operating system and firmware levels, compared to computer systems that are classified in the A, B, and C categories. If change management is not properly enforced, a trusted configuration could be compromised by savvy IT specialists to surveil financial auditors' work activities. Conclusion. AiCA Auditing Tools Selection Consultancy. AiCA Sky Blue Book Volume 3 is a consulting practice whereby our team of hardware, firmware, and operating systems (OS) specialists evaluate computer systems, platforms, and tools to determine their fitness based on the following criteria: fitness for the particular business operational purposes, fitness from a privacy purpose, evaluates computer systems based on DoD Orange Book security classification to determine whether the system is D, C, B, A classified, with D being the least protected and A being the most secured. Overall security implementation at the application and system levels of the computing paradigm.